When you think of XKGLOW, accent lighting and off-road lighting probably come to mind, but now we're lighting up things in an entirely new way, introducing XKpixel. XKpixel is everything you've ever wanted from an LED windshield screen. Featuring dual, flexible displays, XKpixel conforms seamlessly to a split window truck, a steep sport windshield, or a flat rear window. And thanks to our suction cup mounting system, you don't have to worry about the adhesive wearing out over time. Mount it, remove it, and remount it as many times as you want. So how does XKpixel compare to the competition? Simple, it outshines them. While others rely on small, dim dot LEDs, XKpixel uses a large, square pixel LED for a dramatically brighter, sharper, and more readable display. Plus, both screens are perfectly synced through one single Bluetooth connection. No juggling multiple apps, no pairing to two separate screens, just seamless app control. With XKpixel, the possibilities are endless because we have loaded the app with over 50 custom-designed GIFs made specifically for XKpixel. And if you want to make it your own, you can use the DIY creator to display custom messages, images, or fully personalized GIFs. And with Music Sync, powered by the same technology from our XK Max app, you can activate a real-time equalizer-style display that reacts to your music right from the app. This is more than just a screen, this is XKpixel.